day. I pray I did everything I could to honor you. And when I open my eyes, there's joy each day. What a blessing, I'm waking up next to you. Your kisses are a sweet surprise. Still can't believe you're in my life. The impossible is possible because of you. I will love you past forever. I'll do anything for you. I will do anything for you. Heart and soul, I'll do anything for you. You are my life. My life. What means us to. Yeah, yeah. I'll do anything for you. Time, don't wanna waste no more time on broken pieces from the past. We have now, nothing's better than right now. I'm committed to you, and you are to me. Yes, I'll do what it takes, right the wrongs of my mistakes. You give me air, you give me reason to keep on fighting. For love like ours, it's worth it. I'll do anything for you. I will do anything for you. Whatever, I'll do anything for you. You are my life. You're my life. What means us to. Heart and soul, anything for you. You will never know how far my love will go. All the sacrifices you made to change my life. Oh, you mean so much to me. I wish the world could see all the joy you bring to my life. I'll do anything for you. I will do anything for you. Anything for you, baby. I'll do anything for you. You are my life.
Yes. Tony, and DJ Quick. You didn't think we could flip it on your ass, huh? Something for the dance floor. In a real way. It's going down like this forever and a day. Ha. Now what you hear is not a drag, cause Mr. DJ Quick got a brand new bag. But first I gotta bang bang, a boogie for the boogie to the rhythm of the ghetto-y streets. Check it out now, you tryna give me some 8-ball, but no way. I'd rather have a mimosa with Cristal and OJ. Yeah, just a little something bubbly and tingly to have me walking around naked. But wait a second,
the function's on around midnight. What time is it? Are you inside? Available to come and play? Give me a clue so I don't have to look for you. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Come on, let's get down. It's like black Chevrolet. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Come on, let's get down, let's get down.
yeah. Now we don't need a club, we can do it at my house. My front door's open so homies get busted out. And ladies, if you come and leave your children at the nursery so you get slow on the anniversary. Feel me, I dip, die. So don't be looking stupid when I unfasten your bra. You know you wanna mac this because I come stronger than the IRS whenever you done got the late one on your taxes.
Now here I am, staring at you. I need a drink. You need one too. Who is your friend? She don't look nice, but I know she will later on tonight. Come on, let's get down. Come on, let's get down. Let's get down. Let's get down. Come on, let's get down. It's like black Chevrolet. Come on, let's get down. Let's get down. Let's get down. Come on, let's get down. Let's get down.
Now I'm at the club club and I'm off that drug. The one they call alcohol got me acting, y'all. I humped 2 feet before I humped 2 more. And now I'm throwing up my guts out the corridor. Overconsumption, you know how it is, y'all. Got your homie begging for some Pepto-Bismol. But when my stomach's right, I'll be back tonight to get that lady I was running on the wall. Feel me.
Now that I feel a little better than I felt a while ago, yeah, I'm going back to the same spot where I met you on the floor. Now table 1, that's my folks, and table 2, that's my folks, and everybody knows my name.
What's up, Shadi?
Now table 3, that's Big Rat, and table 4, that's G1. You best be prepared, 'cause it's on again, you know. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. In my black Chevrolet,
I gotta get my groove on. Keep moving and grooving, moving and grooving. I gotta get my groove on. Keep shaking that ass, shaking that ass. I gotta get my groove on. Keep moving and grooving, moving and grooving. I gotta get my groove on. Keep shaking that ass, shaking that ass. I'm grooving. Say what? Moving. Yeah. Yeah.
let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Come on, let's get down, 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 down. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Come on, let's get down, 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 down. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Come on, let's get down, 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 down. Come on, let's get down, let's get down, let's get down. Come on, let's get down, 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 down.
I never knew such a day could come, and I never knew such a love could be inside of one. I never knew what my life was for, but now that you're here, I know for sure. Babe,
I never knew till I looked in your eyes.
no, babe.
I wasn't complete till the day you walked into my life. And I never knew that my heart could feel so precious and pure. One love so real.
Just see you every morning when I open my eyes. I just feel your heart beating beside me every night. We just feel this way together till the end of all time. Can I just spend my life with you? Now, baby, the days and the weeks and the years will roll by, but nothing will change the love